Now, how do you adjust the cookie settings on your iPad? Let's get started. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So you open up the settings app of your iPad, and entirely at the bottom we can see apps section. You then either use the search or manually scroll through the apps, but you need to find the Safari web browser. In there you have so many settings which you can change and tweak for you specifically. However, I want you to go entirely to the bottom, find the advanced section, and you can see we have the ability to block all cookies right here. So you can see we have the toggle right there. You can also browse your website data or have the web inspector and even some other things in here as well. So it's kind of, in the advanced section, but the important part is to block all of the cookies. You might have it turned on or not, so you can change it in here. Obviously, if you're using some different web browser like Chrome, for example, you can go in there specifically, tap on the three dots as well, and go to the settings option. This will just let you manage the settings directly inside of the app. And as well, in here, you can check out some things which you might be interested in, right? So you can choose a different default browser or even manage your account, right? So this is just where you can also make some changes. But to delete the cookies, you can tap on the privacy and security and delete the browsing data like this, and it will basically delete everything, right? So that might also be something that is interesting to you. But let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and guides like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the future tutorials.